Everyone needs the perfect little black dress, and I have the perfect one for you. Check this one out. Hola mi gente hermosa, hello to all my beautiful people. How is everyone doing today? I am so excited to bring you guys this video because it's one of my favorite videos to make in the entire year. Is when I am completely redoing my spring and summer wardrobe. Next week I will be arriving in Ibiza and I have gone bananas shopping. This video is in collaboration with FARFETCH. This is literally one of my favorite videos to make because I shop a lot in FARFETCH, and the fact that I get to collaborate with them and that they choose me to make these videos together, for me is just truly an honor. FARFETCH has been kind enough to give me a discount code, which I will leave here on the screen, and I will also put it in the description box below. So let's just jump right into this video, and I want to show you this first item. I love this dress because you guys look at it. It's so feminine, it's so pretty, and this is a dress that you can wear for any occasion in the summer. Let's say that I have a very fancy event. If you have a summer wedding, you can wear this type of dress. Anything that you're going to that requires you to be formal, I think that this dress is just so feminine and beautiful and playful and sexy. I got this dress in a size 0, which is actually a small, and the reason why I love it is because it's made in a linen material, which means that even though it's long sleeve and it's the middle of summer, you can wear it, you're not gonna be hot. I wanted to show you the shoes that I am wearing it with, and I am wearing it with a pair of just nude neutral pumps. These are in suede. I just honestly love suede in the summer. These ones are from my shoe collection, and I just find that it's just you want to keep everything in neutral tones. Already the dress has a lot going on, and I find that with these shoes is how it looks best. I wore this dress for my birthday and I got so many compliments, and then I wore it again for Easter, and I can promise you, I give you my word of honor that so many people stopped me to just tell me how beautiful it looked and to ask me where I got it. So this one right here is definitely my favorite. It's a winner, and it's going to be the most colorful one that I am going to be showing you out of all the pieces that I got. Everyone needs the perfect little black dress, and I have the perfect one for you. Check this one out. Look at this gorgeousness. So it's kind of like cut like a corset, but not really. It's super comfortable. It has no wires or anything. It's extremely flattering, and I know that you guys always look at me and you're like, oh Maria, you're always skinny. Let me tell you something. I have a belly, but you can't see my belly because I am buying pieces of clothing that are flattering to my current belly that I have going on. The trick is to always pick things that are cinched in up here, because we are all smaller up here than down here, and then for it to kind of flare out. This gives the illusion that you have no belly, but trust me, my belly is right there. This is from Charo Ruiz. Can we please talk about how beautiful this just kind of like lifts up your boobs? My boobs don't look like that normally, but this dress makes them look amazing. Again, we go back to the same concept of Charo Ruiz, that she likes to use lace because it's just a very feminine, you know, it's just a very feminine, very delicate material. As you see, as you go down, this material is just, it has slip inside that comes attached to the dress, so your little bits are not showing. Let's say that I have to dress it up, be a little formal, maybe a little dinner, maybe a little date. I would go in with a pair of mules. These mules are from my collection, and they have a Swarovski crystal buckle, which basically just dresses them up. But the coolest thing about them is that they have this tiny heel. It's a 50mm heel, so it feels like I'm wearing like something flat, but still I have a little bit of an elevation, and they just look really, they dress up the dress. It's a little bit more formal. Another way I would wear this dress is, let's say I'm going to a beach party during the day, or I have to go to a lunch and it's outside and it's warm and it's sunny and I have my friends over drinking mimosas. Ooh. I would go back in with the wedges because You know, it's just very daytime, very beautiful. I got this dress in a size small. It has a lot of elastic on the back, and it's made out of this super soft, beautiful cotton, very airy, very flowy, just perfect to keep you looking beautiful and feminine in the summer without sweating. Next, we have this other little black dress. Is different than the previous one, even though it's by the same designer. This is a black dress from Charo Ruiz, also same concept. It has the cotton with the lace. Look at this, look at this. And always very feminine, very sexy, but classy. Obviously, you can wear this dress alone. You can throw a oversized denim jacket on it if it gets a little bit chilly at night. You know, like for example, I spend a lot of times in the summer in Ibiza, and during the day it's super warm, but as the sunset goes down, it tends to get a little bit windy, and you always want to just throw something over it. I really love the low cuts in the back. It just makes it look like my back is like longer and slimmer than it really is. So next piece, you have seen me over and over and over again wearing Charo Ruiz. You guys know that Charo Ruiz is a designer from Ibiza, and she has that whole island vibe, but so sophisticated. And you can see it so well in this dress. This is just the simplest cotton. I think she uses organic cotton, I am not sure, but I am going to tell you something. Every single summer I invest in Charo Ruiz's dress, because I'm going to tell you something. They're not really that cheap, but they're not really expensive. I have never had a problem with one of her dresses. It has never shrunk. You can wear this to day parties, brunches, lunches. One of the shoes I will be wearing this type of dress with a lot in the summer is with wedges. I will make sure to link in my FARFETCH wish list. I'm gonna leave there my favorite ones, because there are so many beautiful ones that are like inexpensive, that are very, very comfortable. I like to wear wedges because, you know, they just add that bit of height. Now we are going to move to my last two pieces that I really think you guys are gonna really love, because I really love them. They're very, very simple, but God, you're gonna get so much use out of them. And now, drum roll, are you guys ready? These are the piece of resistance. All of us love wearing t-shirts. I love wearing a white t-shirt. You know, I have so many white t-shirts, and I just got this black t-shirt. I think it's the second one. I don't have many black t-shirts. But here is the key. This is not just any t-shirt. This is a James Pierce t-shirt. And in case you guys didn't know about James Pierce, he is a designer that actually started making just pure basics, but using Japanese cotton. And it falls in your body like incredible. It's something that you need to put on in order to see how it looks, just so rich, so classy, very high-end. I used to run into Zara and buy white t-shirts by the bulk, and after I would wear them a couple times, that's it. They just didn't fall the same on my shoulders. They would shrink. They would have like little balls. It just doesn't look good. With these t-shirts, I can wear them with my formal pants, which are my signature pants that you guys always see me wearing, which are like long boot cut. They look amazing with jeans. They look amazing with mini skirts. The key is to always make sure that you invest your money in basics that are going to last you a long time. And it's okay, maybe it's not a $10 t-shirt, but trust me, you're gonna wear this t-shirt. If you divide it by the amount of times you're gonna wear it and that you're gonna look good, it's going to come out at a really low price per wear. If you like this kind of videos that talk about luxury designer items, handbags, shoes, and styling, I have actually helped thousands of women up their styling game. That way they always feel confident and beautiful when they step out into the world, and I would love to help you as well. I hope that you guys have loved the items that I have shown you in this video. I tried to keep it really minimalistic, and you'll see in my upcoming styling videos how I'm going to be styling these pieces in different ways, and you will also see it in my vlogs. I will leave linked here my FARFETCH code, and I will also put it in the description box below, together with the sizes in which I got each one of the dresses. Thank you so much, FARFETCH, for collaborating with me in this video. It's always so fun to work with you guys. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me with the YouTube algorithm, and it helps get this information out to more people. Turn on your bell notifications so you do not miss any of my upcoming videos, and please let me know in the comment section below which one of all the pieces that I showed you in this haul was your favorite. Again, I'm going to leave the FARFETCH code on the screen and in the description box below. I see you guys in my next video. Bye.